Hello. How do I read your name? Is it Kifi?
Keith.
Keith. Oh, okay, that's very interesting. Nice name. Hi, Rose.
Hello.
Keith, can you turn on the camera? Then I can see your face. Oh, okay, you look very good. Do you have sore eye, is it? Your red eyes in the right side, right? Seems to be a little bit red. Is it painful? No. Itchy. Yeah, probably a lot of cleaning and packing, right? Prepare for the new year. Yes? Okay. We have more students who are supposed to come in, right? Have you taken your dinner? Rose also, right? Okay, let's see. Ian is here. Hi, Ian. I can't see you clearly. Yes, this is better. Have you taken your dinner? Yes, huh? Okay. All right. As usual, I'll be asking, did you watch the video? Have you completed your worksheet? Good. Okay. Hi, Gregory. Okay, let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. He goes. Get so not here, not here. Oh, okay. Julian is here. Yes, let me admit Julian. Hi, Gregory. Hi, Julian.
Hi.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another 3 more. Okay, 3 more students should come in. So Gregory and Julian, have you watched the video? Have you done your worksheet too?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Keith, you are here the first time. Rose as well. Okay, so have you also watched the first video? Have you done the first worksheet? You did. Good. Okay. Now, what we can practice is we can do thumbs up, thumbs down. You can use the reaction to do it. Are you familiar with reaction in Zoom? Okay. For example, I'm doing a thumbs up now. Can you see? Yep. So you can do that. So when I ask you a question, sometimes it's not very nice to unmute and speak. Correct or not? Because a lot of times we try to unmute ourselves, right? And just before we can start talking, or the moment we unmute, we will start talking and people can't hear the whole thing that you said. So sometimes it's a lot easier that, you just use the reaction. So you can use the reaction, thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, I also have students using this. Okay, yes and no question. All right, so they answer accordingly. Yeah, then there's tick also. Yeah. So you can try all this later. Okay, so you're here. Yeah, so is trying to find a background, is it? Not here and nothing. Okay. Come, let me see your face. Gregory, I also can only see half of your face. I don't know how come all of you like to do that, right? Can't see your entire face at all. Okay. Why is it important for me to see your face? I can see your reaction also. I can see whether you can understand what I'm teaching or you're having difficulties understanding. So that's why I like to see your faces. You know what I mean? Yeah. Otherwise, there's no way I can tell. In the classroom, your teacher will do the same, right? So your teacher will be able to tell whether you understood or not by the look of your face also. Sometimes your teacher will call upon you and say things like, you look like you're quite puzzled. You look like you did not understand. That's how teachers can identify. Okay. So it's 7:30. I'm not going to wait for the rest. Let me just share the screen with you. Can you see my screen now? If you can try to give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's see whether you are using the thumbs up. Comes down. Good, good. Yes, practice it. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see, right? Everyone's ready. Okay. All right. So this topic is still on forces. So last week, we learned about the magnets, right? We talked about magnetic force, and then we went through quite a number of questions also. Okay, and then I told you that questions are lifted from daily examples. And we also talk about the floating globe, right? That came out as a question in 2016 PSLE paper. So this year is 2023. Yeah, so you have to be very observant. What are the science concepts, okay, that is around us, and there is something new that is being created, some new toys, etc., being sold. Those can come out as your PSLE question. Yeah. Let's go on. Before we start, have you watched the video, completed the worksheet questions? Okay, next thing, quickly let your mom or dad know. I would just want to, catch up with them a little at about 8:55. Yeah, so I saw the thumbs up from Ian. Thank you. Yep, so quickly just drop a note to your dad or mom to join us at 8:55. Ken? Keith? Yeah? Now, share 3 things that you know after you have watched the video. Okay, you have watched the video in the portal, right? Share 3 things that you know and 3 things that you want to know. You can type into the chat box. We have a new student. Is it Nabil? Hi, Nabil.
Hi.
Oh, I remember your face. Okay, good. So all of us are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So you should be busy typing now. 3 things that you already know. Okay, and 3 things that you still want to know. Okay, I have some of you sending in already. Remember, this topic is about forces. Okay. Gregory, I cannot see your face at all now. Same for Gyatso. Ange, can you turn on the camera? Oh, okay. All right. Can. You need to try to resolve this, okay? All right, Ange? You can use thumbs up, thumbs down also. How do I watch the video? Julian, you're not too sure about how to watch the video, is it? You have not accessed the portal? You have not at all. Oh dear, okay. Now, I will need you to do this after today's lesson, right? You need to ask your mom or your dad to help you to log on. Okay, you should be able to log in with your account, you know. Do you have an account? You have. So when you are, let me just take a look at my dashboard. Okay. Right. Can I just show you all very quickly? Okay, Julian, you take a look, yeah? I will share with you how it looks like. Can you see this? Yeah? This is P6, right? So you go to, okay, this is the dashboard primary 6, learn, okay? Then P5, 6, science. Yes? Then go to forces. Julian, okay or not, Julian? Can you see this? So you're supposed to have watched this video.
Topics, and together with our forces combined,
Correct.
we will be a much bigger and stronger force, like the strong magnets.
All of you watched
Shall we
this
begin?
already?
So you know what F4 is now? So I'm going to introduce to you the
Rose
four
also have
forces
not.
that we need to know.
Okay. So Rose, now do you understand where to access this? Okay. So that means if I go to the dashboard, you should be very familiar with the dashboard. Am I right to say that? Yeah. Okay. So this is the dashboard. Go to P5, 6 science, click on it. You can then find out the topics. Okay, and the video as well as the work that you need to do. So you all know this, right? Yes or no? See, they already told you reference lesson 25. Attempt the worksheet below before the tutorial. You need to watch the video in lesson 25. Okay, finish up your video and then try the questions in the worksheet. Worksheet is here. Correct or not? You all know how to access this worksheet? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Nabil, okay? So if you can access the worksheet, right? Yeah, if you click on it. Oh, I don't have permission to access this page. Never mind. You all have the permission. That's fine. I don't need it. I have it in the PowerPoint. Okay, so go back to the dashboard. It says reference lesson 25. Let's see whether it is correct. Yeah. Lesson 25. Can see this now, Rose? Julian, can? Yeah, click on it. And then watch the video. Can I move on? So I'll just move on, right? Okay, I'll be going back to the slides, but let me take a look and see how many of you did not share 3 things that you know and want to know. Let's see. I only see Gregory and say